Hello everybody, how are you? Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. As per upcoming season, we have collected very unique and outclass collection for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet sweaters. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crochet sweaters. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet sweaters offer a variety of benefits, making them a popular choice for many who enjoy knitting or crocheting. Here are some advantages of crochet sweaters, which we would like to discuss with you. First and the main one is unique design. Crochet allows for custom pattern and unique design, ensuring each sweater is one of a kind. Custom fit. Crochet sweaters can be tailored to your exact measurements, offering a better fit compared to mass-produced sweaters. Durability. With proper care, crochet sweaters made from quality yarn can last for years, maintaining their shape and structure. Breathability. Crochet fabrics allows air to flow through, making them breathable and ideal for various weather conditions. Comfortable to wear. Soft yarn and the flexibility of crochet stitches make the comfortable cozy sweaters. Variety of yarn options. Crochet allows you to experiment with a wide range of yarns, from lightweight cotton to luxuries wool or alpaca. Eco-friendly. Handmade crochet sweaters often use sustainable or eco-friendly yarn options, contributing to environmental sustainability. Personalization. Crochet gives you the freedom to choose color, pattern, and texture that suit your personal style. Thermal insulation. Crochet sweaters can trap warmth, making them ideal for cold weather without feeling too bulky. Stress relief. The repetitive process of crocheting can be motivate and reduce stress, offering mental health benefits. Creative outlet. Crocheting allows you to express creativity whether you are designing or on pattern or customizing exciting one. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful crocheting sweater ideas. Improved motor skills. Crocheting regularly helps improve fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Lightweight. Many crochet sweaters are made with light yet yarn, which keeps you warm without weighing you down. Fashionable and trendy. Crochet sweaters often have a bohemian or vintage appeal, adding a fashionable touch to any wardrobe. Good for layering. The breathable yet yarn nature of crochet makes it great for layering over the clothes. Support for small businesses. When purchasing handmade crochet sweaters, you often support small artisans and local businesses. Therapeutic benefits. For many, crocheting can be therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and purposes. With the happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you with next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you for watching.